Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. Yes. So, actually, I was talking about the leading coefficient in my previous session. So, as I told you, what is the leading coefficient? So, I would like to basically inform you something. Just keep in mind. Now, what is the leading coefficient I had told? I had told this to be the leading coefficient, right? 2pq cube. But remember, as I told you, leading coefficient they're talking about. Now, I'm not talking about the leading term over here. The term, right? So only the coefficient. So I was talking about the term. So the coefficient of this would be 2. As I leading coefficient is 2 because 2 is the coefficient of the term this. So when we talk about leading coefficient, kindly remember that it's the the coefficient of the highest power of the variable, and a polynomial is called its leading coefficient. For example, over here also it's not 3xy, it's 3. 3 is the leading coefficient. Alright, so I hope you understood it. Yes, number line and all also I had taught. So as I told that our today's topic will be adding expressions. So let's see what are the methods to add an expression. The first is the horizontal method, and the second method is basically the column method. Alright, so I'll be dealing with the horizontal method at first. So let's see. Add 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, one expression, plus 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y, plus minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2. So let's see. At first, we'll just, insert brackets over here. So the next thing is to open the brackets. 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx plus. Now, oh, this is plus, without any sign at the front, we know it's plus. Plus, plus, plus into plus, plus. Then 4yz. Plus into plus, plus. 9zx. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 4y. Then this plus into minus, minus 3x. Plus into plus, plus 5x. Plus into minus, minus, minus 2xy. xy. Minus 2xy. So the next thing is to basically group the like terms. So the second step is group the like terms. Group the like terms. So you all might be wondering that I have made a mistake by telling that leading coefficient is this, leading term is this. Then another thing I had done with the terms and expressions, I had basically confused you. Now, do you wonder that why do I confuse you? Am I not clear with it? Or do I have something to trick you all? Yes. So the thing basically is, let me tell it, that actually whenever I do such kind of things, if you are alert, then you might catch it. But if you're not alert and just simply listening to the video, oh my god, just for the sake of listening, then you will not catch it. So I do it, and then at the next session or any time, point of time, I just recorrect it if I've done it wrong. Why? To see that whether you had guessed it or not. If you didn't guess it, then it's your fault. Yes, and if you have guessed it, then a clap from my side, right? So you have to basically note these minor mistakes which I make, because that's to keep you all alert. Okay, so be always alert and don't just blindly think what and all is going on. Okay, so as I told, now the time is to group the like terms. So 7xy, what is the like term for 7xy? it's minus 2xy. So we can write 7xy minus 2xy. Then y plus 5z is 4yz. Is there any other like term? No. So we can take plus 5yz plus 4yz. Next, minus 3zx plus 9zx and minus 3xz, because z into x and x into z is same, like 3 into 7 and 7 into 3 is the same thing, right? So minus 3zx plus 9zx minus 3xz. Next, minus 4y, no, so we have to keep it minus 4y plus 5x separate. So now what is the next step is xy will remain as it is. You're not going to do anything with it. The thing you have to do is it with its coefficient. 7 minus 2 according to the operation. 7 minus 2 is, what is 7 minus 2? It's 5. So the answer will be 5. Now why it's not minus 5? Because we all know plus, here it's minus, right? So this, the coefficient of the plus one is greater than that of the minus one. So the greater number sign, that is plus, so over here it will be plus 5xy. Then plus 5yz plus 4yz. So plus same sign, so will remain same sign. Then 5yz 4yz. The thing is to add the coefficient 5 plus 4, it's 9, and yz as it is. Next, minus 3zx plus 9zx minus 3xz. So you can just keep it as it is, xz. Now with sign to apply, the thing arises. So what you have to do when let me just box them. We are solving this now. So what you do, minus and minus, here you see two same signs. So what do you do when you see two same signs? First you do the calculation of these. Minus 3zx minus 3xz. What is this answer? The answer is minus 6xz. Why minus 6? Because minus and minus same sign will remain minus, and when there is same sign we add. So 3 plus 3, 6. So minus 6 xz. Now another thing is we have left this 9. So what do we do? Now minus 6xz plus 9zx. So what do we do? This thing we have left, so basically you leave this alone. Minus 6 plus 9. So minus 6 plus 9, what do we have to do over here? We have to subtract when there are two different signs, right? When they are same signs, you have to add. Different signs, we have to subtract. Let me make a note also. Same signs, add. Different signs, subtract. And the highest, the one with the sign, the highest one with the sign, that sign you have to apply. For example, 9 and 6, which is greater? 9. So we have to apply plus, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So plus 3x. So what is left? Minus 4y plus 5x. So we cannot do anything with that. So that will remain as it is in this form. Now let me just make a note of this in a proper manner. The answer to this question is 5xy plus 9yz plus 3xz minus 4y plus 5x. Basically it should be plus 5x and minus 4y. Why? Because x in alphabetical order, first plus comes, plus 5x minus 4y, xy minus z, xz, and we have done it, right? So let's move. In this, I'm gonna go with any arrangement, okay? Now, using the column method, I'll teach you how you have to do it. So the question is 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx plus y. So let me take this question over there. minus 3zx x 4yz plus 9zx plus 9zx minus 4y plus minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. Yes, so I hope I've copied down the basic sum using the column method. We have to solve it now. So we are gonna add, you all know. So what do? When addition is there, you don't have to change the sign. But when subtraction is there, you have to change the sign. Remember this. Addition, no sign change. And this plus minus don't change. Whereas in subtraction, sign change. Okay. No sign changes, yes, sign changes. Okay, so what you have to do is whenever you're gonna get it in this horizontal manner, you have to arrange in the column method. But let me tell you, but I prefer always this horizontal method because I think column method to be little complicated. But whichever is according to you, I'm not telling you to even take horizontal method. It's up to you. Whichever you feel it's easy, you can go with. Let me explain this method also. So what do? You're just gonna make a kind of table. What do? Like terms, you're just gonna arrange in the column wise. All the like terms in one column. But if this and this don't have like terms, then the other places you can take 0. The first expression here, second expression, third expression. The simple thing is to add up now. So 5x plus 4y will remain as it is. Now, what do you have to do? Minus plus minus. So what do you have to do? Minus and minus you are going to add first. Minus minus, it will remain minus 6zx minus 6xzx plus 9zx. It's plus 3zx or xz. Okay, same. Then you're gonna, all the signs are same, so plus 5 plus 4 9 yz 7xy minus 2xy 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5xy. So this is your answer. So is it matching with the 5xy plus 9yz plus 3zx plus 4y plus 5x? Let me arrange it in its proper manner, proper form. 5xy plus 9yz plus 3xz, anything is fine, plus 5x plus 4y. Is it matching with this? Yes, so it's absolutely the same thing. So don't have to worry. You can apply any, but it'll be same. So for today, that's enough. I have told you already few sum on the column method. The next practice makes a mind perfect, and we are gonna practice few sums of addition. Alright, so we have learned this. Thank you. Keep smiling.